Good morning, my dear students, teachers, and staff. Today we gather for a special prayer session to reflect on a significant moment in our nation's history called Operation Sindoor, which took place on May 7, 2025. Let's begin with a moment of silence to honor the brave soldiers of our Indian Armed Forces and innocent lives lost in Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd. Our Indian Army, Navy and Air Force carried out a powerful mission called Operation Sindoor. They struck 9 terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir, targeting groups like Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba, Hizbul Mujahideen. These groups were responsible for cruel attack in Pahalgam, where 26 people were killed, lost their lives. Among them were newly married men, leaving behind young wives filled with grief. The name Operation Sindoor carries a deep meaning. The name Operation Sindoor carries a deep meaning. इसका एक बहुत गहरा अर्थ है. Sindoor is the red mark worn by married Hindu women, a symbol of their husband's long life. But unfortunately in Pahalgam, terrorists took away that happiness from many women, leaving them widowed. One such story is of Himanshi Narwal, who lost her husband, Navy Lieutenant Vinay Narwal, just 6 days after their wedding. Her pain and the pain of many others touched the heart of our nation. Our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, chose this name to honor these women and to show that India will fight for justice. Sindoor is also a mark of bravery worn by warriors going into battle. Through this operation, our forces showed both compassion and courage, striking only terrorist bases while avoiding harm to civilians. हमारी सेना ने किसी भी सिविलियंस पर अटैक नहीं किया, सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेररिस्ट कैंप्स पर अटैक किया. और आर्म्ड फोर्सेस वर्क टुगेदर with precision, using advanced missiles to destroy terror camps in places like Bahalpur, Odike, Sialkot. As young citizen of India, you should feel proud of our forces. They protect us every day, ensuring we can study, play, and dream in safety. But with pride comes responsibility. Let's pray for the strength of our soldiers, for the healing families who lost their loved ones in Pahalgam, and for peace in our country, the world. Let us also pray that such acts of terror never happen again, and that all nations stand together against those who harm the innocent. Oh God, we thank you for the courage of our Indian Armed Forces. Bless them with strength and safety as they protect our nation. Comfort the families of Pahalgam victims, especially the young widows, and heal their hearts. Guide our leaders with wisdom to maintain peace and let the world unite against terrorism. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Before I conclude, I want to remind you all to stay informed and compassionate. Operation Sindoor is a reminder of the cost of peace and value of unity. Let's carry this spirit of patriotism and empathy in our hearts as we continue our studies and grow into responsible citizens. Thank you and may God bless our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.